Hi there, I'm Molly Horak from the Horak Group with Remax Boone Realty. And yes, I am saying the decluttering thing again. It's that important. It makes a huge impact. Plus, you sometimes don't know the maintenance things that you need to do until you've done the decluttering. So if you are in need of extreme decluttering and you can't part with the stuff, consider renting a storage unit for the short amount of time that you are on the market. Now, this might be because the reason that you're moving is that you need a bigger house because your family has exploded and you've adopted 6 kids and you just need a giant house now because you don't fit in your little 2-bedroom anymore. Awesome. Very proud of you. Way to go. Thank you for your service. But if that's not the case, consider donating things or having a garage sale. Garage sales are great. Donating is also great. There are lots of different places that would really benefit from having some of the stuff that you're not using. And if your place is really decluttered, you're probably not using all your stuff. Sorry for the judgy. I don't mean to be judgy. As I've said before, I have 3 kids. I have a lot of stuff. So I get it. I am with you. All right. So thanks, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.